Hello friends, this is Nisha. Welcome to my channel Single Solution to All Problem. My today's topic is how to build the immunity in kids. Immunity is very important thing for all of us to tackle with the viruses, and in case of kids it is the foremost things because the kids don't have the immunity power to fight with the viruses. So today I will tell you a herbal solution to build the immunity of your kids, and of course it is the haldi powder, the turmeric powder. I know everyone knows this, that turmeric powder is a very good immunity booster. It is very good to boost the immunity of older people as well as the kids. But the problem is किड्स डोंट वांट टू टेक दी टर्मरिक पाउडर। जी हाँ, हर पेरेंट्स की एक ही प्रॉब्लम है कि बच्चे लेते नहीं हैं। ये तो हमें भी पता है कि टर्मरिक पाउडर इज़ वेरी गुड इम्यूनिटी बूस्टर, बट क्या करें, बच्चे लेते ही नहीं हैं। सो टुडे आई विल टेल यू अ वेरी यूनिक वे टू गिव योर किड्स टर्मरिक पाउडर. So when your kid is 1 year old or 1.5 year old, take the turmeric powder in front of him, and when he will ask, mama, what are you eating, then tell him that it is a turmeric powder and put a pinch of turmeric powder in his mouth also. आपको बच्चे के मुंह में भी एक पिंच मीन्स बिल्कुल स्मॉल सा अमाउंट टर्मरिक पाउडर का उसके मुंह में भी डालना है, एंड गिव हिम वाटर इंस्टेंटली. आपको उसको साथ के साथ पानी दे देना है. एंड इफ ही आस्क एनी फर्दर क्वेश्चंस, एक्सप्लेन हिम वेरी वाइजली दैट इट इज अ वेरी गुड इम्यूनिटी बूस्टर, इट मेक्स यू वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग. अगर आप ऐसे हल्दी पाउडर खाओगे तो आपको ना जल्दी से कोल्ड कफ कुछ भी नहीं होगा. आपको बिल्कुल भी वायरसेस, जो इतने सारे वायरस अटैक कर देते हैं ना, वो कोल्ड हो जाता है, कफ हो जाता है, फीवर हो जाता है, आपको ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं होगा अगर आप टर्मरिक पाउडर डेली खाओगे. एंड रिपीट दिस प्रोसेस 2-3 or you can say 1 week in front of him daily. You take the turmeric powder in front of him and also give him, and after 1 week he becomes so habitual, he will ask himself that give me turmeric powder, I want to eat the turmeric powder. And second thing is, if the kid has the cold or cough, then don't give him the medicine. और नेक्स्ट टाइम से जैसे ही बच्चे को अगर कोई कोल्ड कफ की प्रॉब्लम अगर होती है तो उसको आपको टर्मरिक पाउडर ही देना है. जस्ट गिव हिम दी 1/4 स्पून ऑफ टर्मरिक पाउडर विद द वार्म मिल्क एवरी टाइम गिव हिम. यू विल फील द डिफरेंस हाउ फास्ट ही इज रिकवरिंग, एंड his immunity has built so much that he is not catching the cold and cough so quickly as he was catching earlier. So it will build his immunity, and he start taking the turmeric powder instead of any medicine when he get the cold and cough. If the kid is bigger, 4 or 4 plus, then you can also give him the turmeric milk. Just add the 1/4 spoon of turmeric powder and half spoon of sugar and boil that milk and make it drinkable. Just warm milk as much as the kid can drink, and strain it. Don't add the too much turmeric powder because it will come in his mouth, and in future he will not drink that milk. So don't add too much turmeric powder, just add the 1/4 spoon, just like more than a pinch. So give him that milk, and if you don't want to drink that yellow milk, then give the turmeric powder in spoon with the warm milk when he catch the cold or the cough. And if your kid is drinking milk in the water, in the milk bottle, you can add that turmeric milk in his bottle and cover that bottle with the cloth. So in short, my point is the give your kids turmeric powder. If he is ready to take the turmeric powder with the warm milk, give him the turmeric powder, and if he is ready to drink the turmeric milk, that is very good. With turmeric milk you will get the more faster result and more good result. But if he is not ready to drink that yellow milk, you can give him with the spoon with the little warm milk, not the cold milk, with the little warm milk. In case of cold or cough, you will feel the difference, and your kid will also feel the difference in his immunity and in his recovery power if he has the cold cough. So and in this way you can give the turmeric powder to build the immunity of your kids. I hope this will help you. Thanks so much. Bye bye.